Take a ride in the 2022 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.